Hello everyone, welcome to the Technical Analysis Mastery course. My name is Haris. I am a financial market trader and a professional technical analyst. The main objective of this course is to empower all kinds of people, whether a complete beginner or the people who have recently joined the financial markets and the experienced traders as well. I have seen many people come into the trading world but end up losing money. This is because of lack of education and emotional discipline. If you want to be a successful trader and investor in the financial markets, you have to learn the art of technical analysis. I am very sure after watching this course, you will be able to analyze all kinds of financial market pairs and make the best decisions for yourself. Let's have a walkthrough of our syllabus, what we will be studying from scratch. The course syllabus has 6 major sections which we will be studying in depth and in sequence. We will be studying the candlestick patterns, the price action analysis, the chart patterns, technical indicators and their strategies, and the most important, which a successful trader and investor needs, risk management and position sizing. And we'll be going through trading psychology and how to manage emotions. These two things are essential to be a successful trader and achieve success in the financial markets. Candlestick patterns. This is our first section. Here we will be discussing what are candlestick patterns and the major types of candlesticks, following as labeled. We'll be studying how to identify them, what each candlestick tells us, what are their interpretations, and how to make the best use out of it. Price action analysis. This is our second section. Here we will be discussing what is price action analysis, how to identify support, resistance on the chart with live chart examples, what are trend lines and how to use them and their strategies. Chart patterns. This is our third section in which we will be discussing all the major types of chart patterns. We will be studying how to spot them, how to make them, what are their interpretations, and how to take trade based upon the pattern forming. Following as I have labeled are the major chart patterns which we will be discussing. This is our fourth section in which we will be discussing the major types of indicators and their strategies. Following are the major indicators which we will be covering in depth in the course. How to make the most use out of it, they will add clarity and confluence to your trading journey. After going through these 4 sections, you will understand the major candlesticks, the price action analysis, and the chart patterns and technical indicators. You will be able to implement all these strategies on any financial pair you want to analyze and you see worth investing. The section number 5 and section number 6 are the backbone of your trading journey. Once you have mastered it, you will be a phenomenal trader. Here in these sections, we will be studying what is risk management and why it is so important. We will be studying how to calculate the proper position size. In section number 6, I'll be explaining the major emotions which you will be facing during your trading journey. I'll be giving practical examples how to manage them and how to keep them in control. I'm very thrilled and excited to teach you all this stuff so you can achieve success in the financial markets and you can make good decisions. During watching the lecture, make notes, and after the lecture, immediately start implementing the stuff which you have learned. Taking action is mandatory and is on top priority. This is going to be exciting journey. We'll be covering everything from scratch. I want you to be a successful trader and make a living out of it. I need your determination and consistency towards this. Let's make this happen and learn together.